What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. And I know I haven't been uploading like I think all summer. No, not all summer, but for a month now. It's because, school has started. I've been focusing on, how this year's gonna be. Down there in the comment section below, tell me how school is going for y'all. And I also post pictures and videos on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me. That will also be in the description down below. Let's dive right in. Oh yeah, I don't play with the music on. It just distracts me. As you can see, this is Subway Surfers. It's the Moscow update. Once it starts going super fast, then you'll see how good I am. Got one treasure box already. And this is the tag bot skin, but I unlocked the space outfit. Okay. Oh. I missed a lot of coins. Ooh. Also tell me in the comment section below how long you've been playing Subway Surfers. Now, I've been playing Subway Surfers ever since it came out. 5 years now? I don't know. But if I've been playing Subway Surfers that long, I should be an expert. 5 years is really long. I uninstall stuff, bring it back. Oh! Oh! Ooh. Ooh, I'm gonna use a key. Shh, don't tell nobody. Ooh! I know I missed the rushing nesting doll. It was too risky. Ooh, I see a key. Yes. This is where it starts going super fast. Put my thumb to work. Oh, my game is lagging. We'll get another question mark. Yes. Whoa, what is this? Jump far? Wow. I've never gotten this before. That is cool. This might be my lucky game. Another question mark? Let's go. Ooh. Man, I'm so good at this game. You can tell I've been playing for a long time. Another question mark. Oh. 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 My game lagged. Lagged hard. I might get a new high score in this game. This video. Well, yeah, in the game too. I just jumped over 2 of those hurdles, or whatever they're called. Also, tell me in the comment section below, what sports are y'all playing this year? How did I not get downed? Not downed, but I used to play Fortnite. I played Fortnite a while this summer. I'm going to put my Fortnite username in the description below. I ran right straight into that train. Wow, I went straight into that train. Okay, let's see my prizes. Ooh, what is this? Platinum record. It's a trophy? New trophy. Okay, y'all. I know I only did one gameplay in this video, but I promise you I'm going to be playing a lot of games and showing y'all. I'm going to download games, show y'all, uninstall them. So all the games I'll be playing, except for this one, will be new to me. As you can see at the top left corner, I have 207.3 thousand trophies. So you know I've been playing this game a lot. Alright, catch y'all later. Peace.